Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to use Piktochart, which is what part of my tech toolkit was created, as you can see here. What you do is first you can log in with your Google account if you have one. So that makes it quite nice, especially when you're having students. If you're at a Google Apps for Education school, they don't have to worry about another username and login. You create new, and you can choose infographic, presentation, printable. What I would probably do in my classroom is an infographic, like maybe if we had a cultural topic, or instead of a poster board presentation, I'm trying to find ways to digitally replace that. So click infographic and it'll get everything all loaded up. And you can use templates, you can use featured. I chose to use a blank one just so I knew what was there, what wasn't, and it made editing various text boxes very easily. So you start out with just 2 blocks, and you can change your backgrounds if you want. You can add stripes, colors, things like that, different patterns if you would like. Which is easy enough to do. As for graphics, you can add different shapes. You can look at icons with different faces. You can look at pictures if you want background pictures to go in. So maybe I'll choose that. And then once you have your image selected, you can shrink it down to whatever size you need. And then if I want to add some text, there's different ways you can include your text. So if I click my subtitle here, double click in order to edit. And that can be your intro. Now this also has text in it, so you would need to delete that out in order to add whatever else you want. You can add additional text frames. If you look down here, you can see there's lots of different options to choose from. You don't have to use those. Another thing that I really liked is uploads. It's super easy to just upload a doc on there that you want. So, so you can see these are images that I have uploaded already. So my Symbaloo logo. So all I had to do was download the image, and then it automatically went there. As far as back to text, so if I choose, okay, this is like the next size or style that I want. Again, double click to edit it, and type whatever you want and you can move it however you want. Now, if you're going to do more extensive typing, so you'd use the lower one. And sorry for the random jibber jabber, but if you want, you can change how it's aligned here, or justified if you want, and then you can move that into the correct position. Once you have your first block done, then you can start working on your second block. And like you said, you had to select the block to work on it. So again, you would want to get rid of potentially the question marks that are on there. And then if I want to work on this block, I have to select it. So it gives you 3 blocks to start with. If you want more, you click this and it'll add a 4th block. When you're done, you will have created, I don't want to save that, but when you're done, you will have created some type of infograph. Oops, that's the one I just did. Maybe it went wrong now. And that flows very nicely, and students can easily create something like this in place of a poster board presentation. I hope you enjoyed this and it was able to help you start to use Piktochart.